Okay, guys, so we're gonna do a second Sunday night video. What? Weird, because this one felt a little short, sighted. No, scammy. No, that's not the word. It's a little, not enough. It fell short. This one fell short. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. So we're gonna do a quick sustainable secondhand savings Sunday night second video. Second sustainable Sunday night savings steal of a deal video. Okay. So we're gonna do another one from the RealReal. Quick unboxing, some clothes, okay? One cloth unbox, okay? So, hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick secondhand savings, sustainable, saving life, saving the environment, shopping, steal of a deal with some RealReal steals, okay? One thing, one cloth from the RealReal. Let's unbox. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? This is something I saw a few times on the site, and there were 3 or 4 of them, and they were around $400, and I waited until it got down to 100. 3 or 4, all the other ones sold, so this was the only one left. So then I snagged it when I got it to 100, and this is like one of those things that I'm like goal clothes. I put on a little weight. I feel a little not my most fit, sexy self. So this is like goal clothes because it is it's just a tank. And, it's not summer, so I have a bunch of time to save. But like, it's LA though, like, I can wear these all the time. But this feels very West Hollywood, WeHo gay, which I'm not really like in that scene at all anymore, or ever was I ever. But if I wanted to, I could do it. With this, and I also feel like I need to be, just a little more, well, anyway, it's a goal clothes. That was the point of this. I have a bunch of cool clothes in my closet. I bought a bunch of stuff that actually does not fit me, psychologically making myself buy it so that I will fit into it later. Do you know what I mean? You get what I mean? You get what I mean? Okay, anyway, unbox on TikTok, be back in a second. Okay, just save time, I just put it on. I put it on over what I'm wearing. But it's an Hermès, like summer sleeveless slutty stop tank top. What are these called? Tank tops? Summer shirts? Anyway, it feels like looks like it could be see-through. I put it over my shirt obviously, but it looks like it could be see-through. Also looks like it could fit me. I'm just my arms need to be a little more. I gotta get back to the gym. Okay, anyway, that's what I got. What do you guys think? I kind of like this look actually on top of a white shirt, right? This is not bad. It feels a little overall-y like school vibes maybe, but like I can work with this. What do you think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Like, what do you think? Here's the back. Okay, that's all I got. This is gonna be short and sweet. A second video that's short and sweet. 2 videos on a Sunday night. Yay, okay. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.